So we are once again on the trek to Karen Beach, and this time maybe we'll get there. And it's high tide today, so the water is washing up the beach, and we are almost at the Sweet Lake that's there. And we're not gonna stop at Sweet Lake. Oh, the water is knee deep here today because of the high tide. Let's see if we will cross. Woo-hoo-hoo! If you're seeing this video, we managed it. Come on, we are being dramatic. It's not that bad, it's not that bad. Let's skip this video to the point where we start the trek for the Karen Beach. I don't think we'll be able to follow this trek. It's getting ridiculous. This is the water source and it's opening up, it's opening up. I lost my slipper. Got it. I'm like this. Fuck, there's no light. I'm on the ground. I'm sitting on the ground. And Laksh. This place is full of thorns. We should not go ahead, but we are. Oh, it's clearing up. It's clearing up. This is nice. Whew. Man, this is a really difficult trek because okay, how do I leave from here?
You have to do doggy style, but don't put your hands on the ground. Like doggy style.
Ah, it's hard. It's like this. You'll see Sarthak come out of this.
Maybe I can't.
You can.
नीचे मत रखियो. फिर छिल गया क्या? एक छोटा कट और आ गया.
It's starting to rain now, and this is all we have for the shelter. My lens is getting messed up because of the water. I think we're lost in the jungle. This trail is blocked. There's no trail over there. This trail is blocked. This trail is coming from the direction we came. I don't know where we will go from here, but let's see. Laksh is trying to get something out of this trail. But if he gets lost, I'll have only 2 friends left. But that's nice because 4 is always a crowd. I don't think you can go there. I think we're gonna get lost, but let's keep going. Let's keep going. I think we're gonna go back. My face is all sweaty. I have an ant bite, a severe ant bite. It exists. I didn't know it existed. And there's no trail forward. I think we're on the wrong path and we're gonna go back. Let's see what happens. There. Maybe there's still hope. Maybe there's still hope. I fell down. But maybe there's still hope. Let's see. This is a dead end. There's nothing out here. We're gonna go back. We are also exhausted and a lot of insects are biting us from everywhere. So we're gonna go back. It was a bad idea. This was a really bad idea. Don't come here in the monsoon. Everyone's falling down. Everyone has a billion thorns in their whole body. And you can hear ah fuck, oh fuck at an interval of 10 seconds. The thorns are getting stuck everywhere. And the best part is we came in slippers. I'm stuck here. Everyone's stuck.
Yeah.
Sunit is still going on. He's still going on. This is getting ridiculous. I'm still trying to record stuff. I'm so hurt, but I know it will be fun in the process of editing all of these videos. We are back to the pond. We are so exhausted. I feel so dirty right now, and we'll just go and have a swim. My GoPro is fucked up. The videos will be fucked up, and the Laksh and Suvrita are still not back. So we're gonna go relax, and then maybe I'll try to record some footage. But the memory is running out, so I don't think I'll be able to record a lot of things today. I'm sorry, I know this is getting very repetitive, but we are in the same pond yet again. We could not find the trek, and there's a couple hanging out in the bigger pond, but that's okay. Let's try to get one footage underwater. We are finally outside, and we were feeling so cold, and now we have the beautiful sun shining over us. Now we are going to dry up because we don't have any towels or anything. And I want to show you something really, I know I don't have the word for it. It's really, I don't know, unique to this beach. And I don't know who did this, but these are all beer bottles. This is really interesting. I don't know who did this. I don't know how they did it, but they did it. And that's all. We could not go to aquarium again, but that's all for today. And I'm just gonna dry up. I'm really soaking wet everywhere, and I'm just gonna enjoy the sun, and let's see what happens for the rest of the day. We are so tired, and we are just enjoying the beach. Laksh is taking a lot of photos. The clouds are nice. Not much to do here, so I'm just gonna end today's vlog for good. Let's see what tomorrow brings.